Your eyes hold back the river so wide. And stop for a minute and see where you hide. Hold back the river.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to follow the look of ELISSE. She's one of the young celebrity in the Philippines, and she made a video about the look for Instagram glow. Okay, so for this look, I just follow the step that she's doing. And first, she put some face oil on her face because she's going to skip foundation on this routine, so I'm going also to do as well. So I have here from Palmer's, it's the skin oil therapy. So it reduces here scars, stretch marks, dry and damaged skin, uneven skin tone, and aging skin, and it has vitamin E. And you know, Palmer's has a lot of products nowadays. They have also for mothers, for women who have stretch marks, and also they have also some skin therapy oil for anti-aging as well. So I'm going also to do. As you can see, I'm using a natural light from our window. I love the smell of Palmer's face oil because it has the scent of cocoa butter. Okay. Next, she proceeds to concealer, which she covers some pimple marks and also her under eyes. For concealer, I'm going to use the Naturactor. It's a product from Japan. I believe it's foundation, but my sister gave it to me and it's good for concealing as well. So I'm going to use it. Since I have some red areas in my nose, I'm also going to conceal it.
I should have been.
Also my under eye. Do you see the difference when using this product? It's amazing. It's a product from Japan, so I don't know where my sister get it, but thank you, sis. I'm also going to conceal my eyelid as well. Can you see the difference? Big difference. Then I'm going to blend as well. Next, let's proceed to blush. She has a cream base blush, but I don't have any cream base here. But I can use, this is the next color that she has on her cheeks, which I'm using the Powder Puff from NYX in the shade of Puppy Love. So I just put some product at the back of my hand and I'm going to apply it in my cheeks area, and also she put in the center of her nose. I don't like the lighting, talagang harsh. Okay, so this is the look with the blush on. She's aiming for the summery glowy look that you got, like some rosy cheeks from the sun, the Desai look. Okay, next is her favorite part is the highlighter. We have the same highlighter. I also have the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade of Opal. She put it all in her cheekbone areas. It is more hygienic if all the products in a tube or in a cream base, you put everything in the back of your hand, unlike dipping it again and putting in your skin and putting it back. It's next is the brows. So what she did, she has a brow gel where she just firmly tracing the shape of her brows. But for me, I don't have any brown gel here. I'll be using a pomade for my brows, but I'm not going to fill in everything, just to put everything in place. I got this from Benefit. It's the Browzing in the shade of medium brown. I'm using the Sephora Professional Brow Brush. Not too much. Not too much, just aiming for a natural look for the brows. I think that's okay, because we're going to blend it out with a spoolie. Next, grab your spoolie and just brush everything to blend. Okay, I think that's okay. Next, the eyeshadow, she's aiming for a natural blend look, and she add a little extra for shimmer in the inner corners. So I only have here one of the natural shade is this color. I have this shade next to the color of my eyelids. It's from Huda Beauty in the palette of Brown Obsession. And go. Since I'm half Middle Eastern, we Middle Eastern used to have this natural brown color in our eyelids. So that's why sometimes we used to conceal it. So she just go in a one color, and I'm also going to the one color. I'm just applying everything in my lids. And the next thing is she add a shimmering in her inner corner, which we're going to add as well. I don't have any shimmer for my inner corner, but oh, hold on, I'm just going to clean my brush. If you're on the go makeup, and if you're traveling and you have hard time to clean all your brushes, I prefer for you to get your own antibacterial spray for the brushes. I have mine here. It's from Jane Iredale, and it's a botanical brush cleanser. It has seaweed conditioners and anti-bac grapefruit extract, so it's perfect. You just spray it and wipe it in a tissue, and then you have a clean brush. So I'm going to add this little white yellowish matte in my inner corner. O, diba? Parang may muta ka lang. Okay, next, she bronzed her face. I'm going to use my favorite bronzer from e.l.f. in the shade of medium brown, but I can't find my brush here. My brush here in my table. Okay, anyway, I'm just going to use my beauty blender. It's okay, even it's damp. So also here, she added also here. I believe this is optional if you prefer to bronze your face, but bronzer help to give you that natural glowy look also. So there. Second to the last, she curled her eyelashes. So for my lip area, she added her lip gloss. I don't have any lip gloss at the moment. I have all of my matte shade, but for this one, I think my favorite go-to lip gloss if I'm going out and I don't like to wear any lipstick on, I'm just using a petroleum jelly. To add a little color, let's just add a little bit of the Powder NYX Lippie in the shade of Puppy Love. I so love this. This is my go-to lip product.
somewhere.
So this is the final look that I can copy, the look of natural glow for Instagram. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel and comment down below if you like this look. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next video. Bye!
Bye.
Once upon